Hey kids, today we're going to draw a super cute and happy dolphin. Are you ready? Let's have some fun together. First, draw a big round head like a soft circle. Now add an oval shaped body under the head. It looks like a big jelly bean. Next, draw the tail fin at the bottom. Make it look like a soft V shape. Now add a tiny curved line for the eyebrow. This makes our dolphin look friendly. Time for the cute face. Draw both big round eyes. Make them nice and big and sparkly. Add a smiling mouth with a little curve. Our dolphin is so happy. Now draw the left fin on the side like a small curved leaf. Then draw the right fin on the other side. Don't forget the fin on the back. Great job so far. Now let's paint and make it colorful. Paint the eyes in beautiful blue. So shiny. Paint the body in bright blue. It looks like the ocean. Awesome work. Add pink cheeks. So cute and soft. Wow, your dolphin looks amazing. Great job. Surprise! Our dolphin comes to life in a fun 3D animation, jumping and smiling just for you. Great job, little artist. Keep drawing and having fun. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.